Tonight I will test the Seestar S50 new firmware update, the 2.01, that brings us some amazing features like 2x and 4x zooming in planetary mode, long exposure astrophotography from 10 seconds to 20 and 30 seconds. Let's test this new zoom function on the moon and there on Jupiter, that is tonight in conjunction with the moon. 4x. And here will allow us to capture some directly zoomed in images of the craters and a bit more brighter, something like this. Okay, so enable us directly to capture the image with zoom. However, I believe this is digital zoom. We will see the recording's resolution once we download it from the Seestar telescope. So here we have it. So this is Jupiter. Now it's in center, and try again. 2 and 4. And let's do another short video. So now the advantage is now that it will film like this in this mode. So how close we can get? Look, this close.